With a tropical monsoon climate, Vietnam is known for its many delicious fruits. Eating fruit every day is healthy for our body. Fruit contains rich nutrients, fiber, and vitamins. Fruit contains antioxidants and acid folic, helps reduce blood pressure and prevent cardiovascular disease, as well as contains a large number of nutrients, such as vitamin E, which has the elements to slow aging and help improve skin conditions. While knowing the nutritional benefits of the fruit brought, but it is not always possible to take advantage and exploit. Therefore, during the past few years, Viet Foods and Beverage, the single-member limited liability company branded Vinut, has been constantly researching and manufacturing juices from pure fruits on the modern production lines, thereby retaining all initial nutritional quality, including enzyme and vitamin of the fruits. Lemongrass, lemon, honey, and sea salt are not only the familiar products of every single Vietnamese citizen, but also every effective medicines to drink. Lemon, with ingredients containing up to 22 substances, including limonese, citrus, citrus pectin, glycosides, flavanol, vitamin C, and minerals, helps increase the resistance, respiratory antibacterial, thereby increasing the ability of nourishing leukocytes in the blood, which helps strengthen the immune system. Scientists also discovered that lemon juice can be used for disinfecting water by destroying the norovirus. This group of viruses causes diarrhea, vomit, and abdominal pain. Lemongrass helps support poor digestion with nausea and abdominal pain. Lemongrass essential oils helps reduce gas problems in the body because of the ability to relax the stomach muscles and eliminates gas from the intestine. Also prevents bloating, stimulates the digestive system, anti-halitosis, relieves sputum, as well as strengthens the systemic respiratory system. Honey has antibacterial properties. There have been studies pointing out that honey has the effect of relieving bouts of cough at night and improved better sleep thanks to dextromethorphan anti-cough and antihistamine diphenhydramine, Benadryl, according to CNN Health. Deep sea salt is mined at a depth of 450 meters according to the surface of seawater, where the sunlight is not shining down. Modern and scientific treatment processes help preserve almost all trace elements, help the compound of deep sea salt to improve an antiseptic effect, anti-inflammatory, mucosa, and weaken mucosal restoration. As a result, deep sea salt can prevent nasal congestion and sinusitis, as well as other diseases spread by the respiratory tract. The Vinut understands it, and the Research and Development Department has many years of experience in the food industry of the company and has researched honey, lemongrass with deep sea salt juice. This product is 100% natural compound ingredient and is extracted with high technology. Notably, bitter taste from lemon and lemongrass is completely separated, creating a sweet taste that supports the cleaning of the respiratory system, boosts the immune system, and is good for health. The criteria and operating direction of both the company and the board of directors aim to create the healthy product. Based on that, the Viet Company's research office is always doing research on product-related projects and releasing healthy products. The raw material source of the product is always 100% natural extract, such as the fruits and lemongrass. These are the products of the agriculture industry in Vietnam. In addition, the company also helps to support the output for Vietnam agriculture. For products such as honey, lemongrass with deep sea salt, it is famously known that the lemongrass, honey, are very easy to find materials for Vietnamese households. However, these are just oral recipes or a guide to creating generic drinking water only. Furthermore, we find that these combinations are still inaccurate in the creation of a healthy product. Therefore, we have been constructing research to produce high-quality products called honey lemongrass with deep sea salt, with the goal to bring the best effect for health. This product helps strengthen the immune system, increase resistance, and most importantly, it supports the respiratory tract during the epidemic season like this. Currently, the company has been given the product to people, as well as there are many countries in the world that have conducted and carried out orders to export all over the world. The juice product from honey lemongrass with deep sea salt is welcome to not only the local market, but also international ones such as Korea, Dubai, and so on. In the coming weeks, months, and years, honey lemongrass with deep sea salt juice product will be directed to customers globally. The two key factors are quality and price, as something that customers are completely sure of Vinut's products. With the high quality and safe products without hazardous chemicals, Nam Viet Company is committed to satisfy all the needs of domestic and foreign customers.